In this lesson, we're going to learn all about similes. What is a simile? A simile is a way to compare two things using the words like or as. Similes help make your ideas more interesting or easier to imagine. The key to a good simile is choosing something that is well known for a certain quality. In this lesson, we're going to be focusing on as something as similes. So, let's begin. As blind as a bat. As blind as a bat.
As hard as a rock. As hard as a rock.
As sly as a fox. As sly as a fox.
As brave as a lion. As brave as a lion.
As free as a bird. As free as a bird.
As easy as pie. As easy as pie.
As quick as a flash. As quick as a flash.
As cute as a button. As cute as a button.
As sweet as honey. As sweet as honey.
As slow as a snail. As slow as a snail.
Did you understand them all? I hope so. Remember to complete the PDF. Thanks for watching.